Perhaps the most iconic symbol of the Siege of Petersburg was the Dictator. This 13-inch seacoast mortar battered the city during July, August, and September of 1864. After the initial assaults by the Union Army on June 15 to 18, the Federals gained control of the rail line connecting Petersburg to the port at City Point. This allowed the Federals to transport the 17,000-pound mortar on a flat car into position on a spur line behind captured Confederate Battery 5. The Dictator was needed in order to silence the rebel Chesterfield Battery located on Archer's Bluff on the north side of the Appomattox River, which was shelling the Union trenches just across the river. The first flat car was destroyed by the recoil after 5 rounds and was replaced by a reinforced version. The recoil, created by a charge of approximately 16 pounds of cannon-grade black powder, could move the rail car up to 12 inches. The Dictator fired a 220-pound shell over a distance of 2.5 miles into the eastern side of the city. Eventually, the mortar, which weighed 11 tons with its carriage, was moved onto solid ground behind Battery 5, and a powder magazine was built into the hillside. Cast in 1862 in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, and manned by the 1st Connecticut Heavy Artillery, the Dictator fired 218 explosive shells on Petersburg from July 9 until September 30 when it was returned to City Point. The fate of the Dictator is unknown, possibly sold for scrap metal after the war. There is a seacoast mortar currently located at Fort Hamilton in Brooklyn that fits its description. An exact replica of the Dictator was cast in concrete and was installed at its original location at the Petersburg National Battlefield. You can visit the Dictator today by following the trail near Battery 5 at the Petersburg National Battlefield in Virginia. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and don't forget to subscribe to the Civil War Virginia channel on YouTube.